Hello, you're welcome to this short brief training on how to integrate MTN SME Premium on Data V2 or any of our gateway terminal that you are using. We're using Data via VTU as a case study here, but then it can be applied to any of our API terminal that you are connected to. So why are we making this video? Because we discovered that for we to begin to tell you to make payment for integration of SME Premium, you can gladly do it on your own self instead of you coming to us to do the integration for you. Now, why MTN SME Premium? Sometimes services on normal SME may not be going through. So you can easily use MTN Premium to actually retain your customer at that basic level. So quickly, I'm going to log into my own data VTO account just to show you what you need to do. For you to do this integration, you must first of all go to your own admin end. But then let me also log in. You must go to your admin end and also log into your data VTU account. So once you are logged in into your own data VTU account, you can easily retrieve your data ID for SME Premium because that's the whole essence of going to your own what's it called data VTU what's called back end. So I just log into the my own account. Okay, so you must have an account. Okay, I believe you understand what I'm saying. Like, okay, your website is connected to Data VTU, and the provincial you want to now integrate SMTN Premium. So once you are logged in into Data VTU, first, that's the first thing you have to do. Then you go to pricing here. Okay, so look at pricing here. Click on this pricing here. So once you click on pricing, you will now scroll down to check this that data type, which is not on your own. Okay. Now this is it here. Pay attention here. Okay. So look at it here. You can see it now. MTN Premium. Can you see it now? This is what we want to work on right now. So the first thing you have to do is to get all the data ID, which is here. You can see this one, this 500 megabyte. The data ID is 67 because we'll be needing it right now. So most of all use mobile to access their what's it called? You make use of mobile device to access your website admin portal. So we may be able to use mobile device on this tutorial just for so that you can actually learn along. So they shouldn't say, this thing is not working, it's on desktop. So once you are here, you go to your own admin dashboard. Okay, we are using just a demonstration here. On your admin dashboard, all you have to do is to click on the ampersand sign there, then click on services. Can you see services? Click on these services. So once you are here on the services, the next thing you have to do is to click on data plan. Can you see data plan? Just click on data plan. So once you are here, click on add. Can you see it? Click on this add. Okay. Just click on this add. So once you click on add, to pop up a menu tab like this, then select the network. In this regard is MTN. So then the type is, you can call it MTN Premium, right? Premium. So the type data type must be SME. Can you see it now? Pause this video and rewind it to understand what we are saying on this video. Just click, make sure you select SME. Then the plan ID. Remember I told you about plan ID. Go back to data VTU. So you can see the plan ID. Let me scroll down because I have to now remember even if you are using a different API from our own end, you always locate something like this. Okay, so we're using data VTU as a case study, but if you are using a different API, it is still the same thing. So go here, you can see the data ID. This one is 67, that's 500 megabytes. Okay, so you just go back and put 67 here. Then the validity is 30 days. Then the price, of course, you should be able to know the price you are getting the product from us, depending on the membership system that you have with us. So, for instance, if you are on the last membership, I think it's supposed to be something like this. So you can then put the price, which is this. Then user price. How much do you want to say to your user? So you may just say 150. Then from here, agent, you can put like 148. Then vendor price, the vendor price, you may put let's just say this, and then click on add plan. Can you see it now? Just click on this add plan. It's as simple as anything. Just click on add plan. So once you click on add plan, the system will automatically add the plan, right? So you can see it now successful. You can see that the plan has been added. So we have done for 500 megabytes. Let me also do for 1 gig. Just click on add, then select the network, which is MTN, then select MTN Premium 1 gig. I'm just using, you can use a different name, then SME, then here plan ID, you go back to data VTU. So you can see the plan ID is 68, right? Don't make mistake on this. Then you go back and type 68 as the plan ID. The validity is 30 days. Then the price, how much is it being sold? Depending on their membership level, how much you are buying from us. If it is this, fine. Okay, the last package there, you can see it. You can then put 260, 276, right? Then the user price should maybe like you want to put the user price at 285 or 290. Then why the agent you can put 285. Why the vendor you can put 280. Then you click on add. Remember, these things you add here is going to be what you are going to be multiplying to get other gig, like 2 gig, 3 gig, 5 gig, and 10 gig. Okay, you have to do the multiplication of this times by the number of gig, this times by number of gig, and then you all have to come. You just have to click on add. Then you go back to data VTU, then go to what's called the 2 gig, 3 gig. You need to work it to 10 gig, right? Now, if you want us to do the integration for you without you doing it, you send us your website address, your admin login with integration fee of 3,000 naira. So why do you now want to pay? Why you can do it yourself? So once you have added it, the system will start picking it up. Once your user want to make purchase, you tell the users that the normal SME is not available, but the premium is available. And once they buy it, it will go. Because sometimes the even premium will not be available while the normal SME is available. So it is it is like it's not stable. MTN is always, it's not only MTN, it can be Airtel, it can be Glo. So with this knowledge, you have already integrated all the data variation plan in MTN. So you can use your back end as admin to do this, and then the what's called your users can be buying the product. Though SME Premium, the price is very high. That's why we usually say you should wait patiently. But those of your customer that is not patient enough to go to wait for until MTN normal this thing is available, can always use this alternative. So you must set up the same margin to what is you are seeing here. Okay, like for instance, if you look at the price of SME Premium, compare it with normal SME, you discover that it's not the same thing, right? So it is, this one is always cheaper. Compare depending on the API you are using from our own end, is always cheaper. Normal SME is always cheaper. So, but then we have done the integration just to show you how it is done. Then use this knowledge to do it yourself. But if you say you cannot be able to do it, get back to us with your 3,000 and admin login credential. Let's do it for you.